This is the scenery in northern
Nebraska.
Yep. What's it? This town? There's a. I bet that water tower's got a name on it.
Look how fast that windmill's going.
She's a good one. Well, let's see. What? Nebraska National Forest. I think we'll be in trees from for a long time now. I wanted to show you this guy. Well, what does that say? Ridge. I'll let you read. I'll drive.
Pine Ridge Job Corps.
Ah, wherever that is. But we're in trees, guys. Phil, over there in Europe, this is what it looks like in the top of Nebraska. Be northwest of Nebraska, top of Nebraska, wouldn't it?
Yes.
I think I'm going to slow down.
That'd be a good idea. You're not on a motorcycle.
Yeah, this is a great motorcycle road right here, but not so good when you're towing. This is what it'll be like through all of the Dakotas. It may be this way all the way up through the Dakotas. From here on, I don't know. But I wanted to show you this, and that's all I want to show you. You want to say anything?
Slow down.
Okay, dear. We're going to slow down now.
We have a house behind us.
Oh, that's right. I forgot that was back there. All right, guys. That's Nebraska.
State Line Club. There we go. Welcome to South Dakota.
Yeah, we are in South Dakota. What do we got over here? The casino. Oh, how do we get over there? Do we
I
miss
think
it?
you just passed the only turn in.
Well, son of a bitch. Doesn't look like a place to turn around in there either. Well, guys, this is just about the way the freeway's been all day. All roads. This is called the Pendemic Travelers, because there's nobody traveling. We've seen 2 other RVs today. That's it. We see maybe 1 car every 3 or 4 miles, and that's it. There comes one there. The last one we've seen is probably 3 miles behind us. A lot of people are taking this pandemic awfully serious. Sorry about the bugs, by the way, on the windshield. I did wash that window. Come another one. I did wash this windshield before we left. As you've seen earlier, we are in South Dakota, and this is what it looks like on this part. We are about 36 miles, 30 miles now, I think, from where we're going today. Just wanted to show you what the traffic's like out here traveling on during this little hiccup in American history. Nothing. Nobody. And you've seen the campgrounds. If you haven't, I'm gonna maybe throw a couple pictures on here. The campgrounds are about the same way. You don't have to hunt for a spot, that's for sure. No traffic. Nobody. Nowhere. Well, that's enough of that. Any fish out there, Hank? What do you think? You like this camp spot? Wow, what a nice camp spot. You want to go outside and show everybody outside? Come on, let's show your doggy friends. No blockhead and fat bitch.
Oh, there was a miller flying out of the cupboard.
Really? There you go, Hank. Show him the yard. Look at Hank's yard. Woo! What a nice yard.
It just flew out.
And that is a hot springs, we find out. We can go swim in it if we wanted to, but I don't want to. And Hank ain't going to. Okay, Hank. You showed him. Come on back in the house. Come on. Well, that's what Hank's been doing today. Is that it? Is that all you got to say? Is that all you got to say, buddy? Oh, you burped. Good boy. Right on command. Well, do them hills look like South Dakota? Got a teepee even up there. Look at that. Yeah, South Dakota. We are set up for tonight. We are here at Allen Ranch Camp. And it's right along the stream here. There's a stream right there. Nice grassy areas for Hank. He ain't even on his leash. He's just hanging around. But there's nobody here. You just drop your money off. A guy came by and said, yeah, just put your money in a box. So they ain't worried. I ain't worried. We got 50 amp. We got water. We don't have sewer. They have a dump spot somewhere, but we're only going to be here 3 days. We can go 14 without having to worry about dumping the sewer. Or either one, really. So we're just going to enjoy this little place. We're going to go do some exploring. I don't know if we're going to do it yet tonight, because we got 3 days here, so we got tomorrow and the next day to explore. And we got to go look at some pretty cool stuff. But ain't that nice? Look at that. That's going to be our view out the back window. Right here, nice stream. And the best part is, there ain't no train track. How long's it been since we ain't parked next to a train track? A long time. But we do have a main highway there, but I'm sure that will shut down and get quiet this evening. Oh yeah, I love South Dakota. I love Idaho. I love Yuma. Didn't much care for Kansas. Nebraska was not, yeah, anyway, I love those other 3 states real well. Anyway, that's it for today. We're set up. I think we're going to enjoy this spot for 3 days, and we'll get some stuff for you guys. Thanks again, Pat, for that right there. That was your idea. I wouldn't have wanted to park here without something to hold them wheels from rolling. That's for sure. I think my boy is going to like it. You like it, Hank? Yeah? Okay. That's it for now, guys. Well, I'll probably put a review on here also of this campground, but I want to make a couple notes here at the end of this. It might look like a nice campground, but it's got some flaws. One of them is no trash cans anywhere, and if you come any later than this time of year, it's going to be full of goat heads. So take that with a grain of salt. Bye.